Hi everyone, and welcome to this short presentation of SECO. I am Marco Parisi, Head of Investor Relations, and in the next 5 minutes, I would like to present you the results of SECO in Q3 2021. So, in the last quarter, we have been able to further accelerate our growth path, posting our all-time record of revenue in a single quarter and performing better than our competitors both in terms of growth and improvement in profitability, which has continued to grow more than proportionally compared to revenue. In fact, over the 9 months of 2021, we grew by 22% in net sales and 39% in adjusted EBITDA. If we consider only Q3, revenue grew by 51% and adjusted EBITDA by 79% compared to the same period of 2020. We have seen a great acceleration in the spread of Clea, our IoT and artificial intelligence platform, which generated 1.3 million euros in the quarter, growing by more than 240% compared to Q2 of this year. We are already seeing a lot of benefits from the integration of Garz & Fricke, which is proceeding at full pace, and we are seeing a very strong growth in the order backlog at the end of October, growing by 121% versus the same period of 2020, which is adding a lot of visibility in Q4 this year and also on 2022. As you may see, our total revenue increased by 20% in the first 9 months of 2021 on the back of a very strong growth of net sales, further accelerating in Q3 thanks to a very strong performance, especially in the EMEA and APAC areas, and very well spread across end markets like industrial, vending, transportation, and many others. Gross profit margin has increased more than proportionally. Component shortage has surely been an issue, as much for anyone on the market, but we have been able to keep the pace and even slightly improve our percentage incidence on revenue in the first 9 months of 2021. We are adopting some temporary price increase actions whose effects are going to be seen in the next quarters, and we are confident that, as soon as the situation normalizes, we will be able to fully benefit from the growth of our business. Like we have seen, order backlog levels make us very positive on the remainder of this year and also on 2022 targets. For this reason, we have decided to raise our full-year guidance on total revenue to 114 million euro for 2021. Both adjusted EBITDA and adjusted net income have increased more than proportionally compared to revenue, more than 40% versus the first 9 months of 2020. This is thanks to a very important operating leverage effect. Approximately 80% of our OPEX is fixed, which makes us strongly benefit from the growth of our revenue. Moreover, also in 2021, we are continuing to invest in highly skilled people to further reinforce our management team and our R&D capabilities. From a cash generation perspective, if we leave aside the funds we raised at the IPO, we have a net financial position which is substantially unchanged compared to June of this year. Here, it is worth noting that in the quarter, we had a strong generation from EBITDA. An important part of this has been invested in inventory as we are growing at a very fast pace, so we need to intake the components to be able to ship our products to our customers. So, to sum up, our order intake levels make us very positive both on Q4 of this year and on 2022. The Garz & Fricke acquisition has been received very well from our customers and stakeholders, and we are already seeing many benefits from the integration process. The Clea business is going very well, both in terms of adoption by new and existing customers and in terms of pipeline, and we are still monitoring the market to continue with our M&A strategy based on quality deals to keep creating value for our shareholders. Many thanks for your attention and looking forward to speak soon.
Hi there, since you watched this company video until the end, I'm guessing you liked the video, and that's probably because we work very hard to create the most engaging and added value content for you. If you're a company and want to find out how we, at SEAT11A, can make a company video with and about you, please email us at content@seat11a.com.